Let's have a look at some of these casing drawings then. So let's go into the casing drawings options. So we can draw the casing detail here, so we'll quickly draw that one. And there are the overall dimensions of the casing. We can also draw the outlet flange detail. We've also got a cutting profile option here, but we'll just quickly have a look at the detail drawing. Close that one. Now let's have a look at the scroll layout, and we can also look at the sides cutting profile. But let's have a look at the scroll layout first. So we'll draw that one. Now that gives us, I'm going to zoom in here using this zoom window. So it's we'll select that. Now I'm going to draw a box by clicking once there, then moving the mouse across to here, clicking again, and that's enabled us to zoom in and see these drawings. Now all these drawings are full size. We can also scroll in and out using the mouse wheel. So just scroll it backwards and forwards to zoom in and out. We can also drag this around by pressing down on the mouse wheel, holding it down and moving the mouse around. Now let's just have a look at the way this is welded. So I'll scroll in, move down, and we can see that that is a corner weld. So the side of the casing and the scroll are welded together with this single corner weld. We can change the way that's done, so we'll close that, and we'll change that option to extend the sides and apply a fillet weld inside and outside. So I'll select that. We've also got this option here that the sides are going to extend outside the scroll by 10 millimeters. So let's have a look at the scroll layout again. So we'll draw that again, and now we can see the difference. Again, I'll just quickly zoom into this area. We can see now that the sides are extended past the scroll by 10 millimeters, and there's a weld, continuous weld outside and intermittent inside. I'll just click to show the drawing extents here, so that's one click shows us the complete drawing, and we can see that this weld symbol says C note, continuous weld outside, intermittent inside. So let's close that one again, and we'll have a look at the sides cutting profile. So we can draw that.